Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge automotive technology with the Luzeterna 10-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen and 4K dashcam. This portable car stereo is not just your average entertainment system, it's a game-changer for your driving experience. Let's start with its standout feature: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Gone are the days of fumbling with cords to connect your phone to your car. With this system, you can seamlessly access your favorite apps like Waze, Google Maps, and Spotify with just the tap of the touchscreen. Plus, with Siri and Google Assistant voice control, navigating, playing music, and making calls has never been easier or safer. But that's not all. This device is packed with intelligent features designed to enhance your driving experience. The adaptive light-sensing touchscreen automatically adjusts its brightness based on day and night conditions, ensuring optimal visibility without causing discomfort or glare. And with its 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera, you'll have peace of mind knowing that every moment of your journey is captured in crystal-clear detail. The split-screen display even allows you to view your driving record and reverse image simultaneously, eliminating blind spots and maximizing safety. Speaking of safety, the Luzeterna portable car stereo is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to trucks to RVs. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it into the cigarette lighter socket and choose from a variety of brackets for the perfect placement. And when it comes to audio, this device has you covered with 4 different output options. Whether you prefer using the built-in speaker, syncing with your vehicle's FM radio, plugging into the AUX port, or connecting via Bluetooth, you'll enjoy high-quality sound through your car's speakers. In summary, the Luzeterna 10-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen and 4K dashcam is a must-have upgrade for any vehicle. With its seamless connectivity, intelligent features, and high-quality performance, it's sure to take your driving experience to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.